Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Google account Photos is using, because the wrong account will keep syncing. Next, pause backup and sync immediately. This stops new uploads while you work. Make sure you have local copies of any items you want to keep, move them to a separate folder or export to your computer. Once done, sign out of secondary accounts if present, and disable Wi-Fi or mobile data while you change settings to prevent accidental syncs during the process. You now perform the core steps. For each Google account on the device, open Photos and toggle backup and sync off. This prevents future uploads. Then, go to your device app settings and remove Photos access to storage or media. That blocks automatic reads and uploads. Also check other apps like Gallery, Dropbox, or Camera apps and disable their auto-upload features because they can trigger photos indirectly. Make sure to repeat this on every device where your account is signed in to stop cross-device syncing. Finish by signing out of Google Photos on devices you no longer use, and if needed, remove app access from your Google account security page so devices can't reconnect. Verify success by checking Photos backup activity. There should be no recent uploads, and confirm Storage Manager reflects sync is off. If settings revert or changes won't save, clear the Photos app cache and data, then reinstall the app. That usually resolves persistent permission or sync bugs. If problems persist, revoke account access and reauthorize only when ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.